Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Firna Apriani and today I will presenting my mini research that is the topic is the current generation's dependence on social media. My presentation will take about 5 until 10 minutes and I hope you all can watch it slowly. Okay, I will start my presentation from introduction. In the continuously evolving digital era, social media has become an inseparable part of our lives. The current generation are increasingly dependent on social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and many others. This dependency has significant impacts on how we communicate, interact, and even perceive ourselves. Okay, next is previous research. There are two previous research I checked from this topic. First is understanding the relationship and influence between social anxiety and social media addiction among college students in Semarang City. And the author are Fatih Azka, Dendi Freddy Firdaus, and Elisa Kurniadewi. And the results of this research is there is a significant influence of social anxiety on social media dependence. The social anxiety variable only affects around 7.2% of the social media dependence variable. And the second one is the influence of social media usage dependency on communication behavior and social anxiety among teenagers in Patirjensi. And the author is Ayu Fitriana. And the result of this research is it can be concluded that dependence on social media affects communication behavior and social anxiety. Okay, next is research question. There are two research questions I checked for my mini research. First is how addicted is the current generation to social media? And the second one is what is the impact of social media addiction on the productivity of the current generation? Okay, next is literature review. First, social media. Social media is the platform people use to communicate, interact with other people, even it's afar from they are. And dependency. Dependency is addicted. How addicted is someone to something like, in this case, for my mini research is social media. So how addicted people to social media. Hypothesis. Social media has a significant influence on an individual's life because this platform can facilitate interactive interaction between two people who are physically very far apart. So from this, we want to know is true or not. Next is research methodology. Research design. I use quantitative survey method, and the sample is the current generation. Current generation is refers to 1995 until 2012. This is from the research is Hillman. Okay, research findings. Based on the research, all participants or respondents who have participated are 70 until 22 years old, and they belong to the current generation. Okay, we move to the research findings or results from this research is, the first is, I respondents 100 use social media, or they are, it means they are is social media user, so they are can be participate for my mini research. Eighty-eight 1% of my respondents feel that social media has become an integral part of their daily life. On the other hand, there is that 6.9% that not sure that they feel that social media has become an integral part of their life or not. There is 50% of my respondents use social media in for more than 5 hours in a day. On the other hand, there is 27% of my respondents use social media uh, around 3 until 5 hours in a day. Next is, based on the data, there is 51% that from of my respondents feel that social media dependency has a negative impact on their productivity. And on the other hand, there is 33% of my respondents doesn't feel that social media dependency has a negative impact on their productivity. Okay, next is 76% of my respondents feel that social media can affect people perception. And moreover, there is 60% of my respondents doesn't feel that social media can affect people's perception. Based on the data, there is 47.5 of my respondents feel significant that a role of education is helping the current generation manage their dependence on social media. And moreover, there is 43.6 of my respondents feel very significant the role of education plays in helping the current generation manage their dependence on social media. Okay, next is based on the data or based on my research, there is 70% of my respondents have tried to reduce the time they spend on social media. And the other hand, there is 80% of my respondents never thought of it before or never thought for reduce their time for spending social media. Okay, next is based on the data, there is 81% of my respondents feel that social media has provided overall positive benefits in their life. And on the other hand, there is 19% of my respondents feel that social media has provided overall negative benefits in their life. Next is there is 52% of my respondents feel anxious or stressed if they can use social media. And moreover, there is 48 of my respondents, 48% of my respondents doesn't feel anxious or stressed if they can't use social media. And the last is conclusion. Social media addiction refers to the users themselves. Some social media users continue to use it for positive purpose, but it cannot be avoided that social media also has negative impacts. So it's dependent on their users. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you all for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a nice day.